Hi guys, this is Shruti, your guide for today, and in this video we'll be learning how to use this Nikon Z30 camera. So just for your information, this is a mirrorless camera and it's basically used for vlogging. So let's learn how to mount everything. Starting with the battery, you just have to flip your camera like this. On the bottom you'll see the battery slot. Open it like this and insert the battery here. In a similar way, there's this SD card slot near the battery slot. You have to take your SD card, insert it, give it a little push. There will be a very light tuck sound. It means it's locked. Now close it. You're done with the battery and the SD card. Now let's mount this lens on the camera body. So to do that, flip your camera like this. Open both the caps from the lens and the camera. Now you have to be very careful of this because this is very sensitive. So after opening, don't give it too much time or else dust particles might go inside. You'll see a white dot on the lens and a white dot on the camera body. Make sure to align them together. Once you have aligned these two white dots, give it a gentle press. Rotate it anti-clockwise. And once you hear a tuck sound, it means it's locked. Also, if you want to remove the lens, you'll see a button here. Just press on this button, rotate it clockwise, and it's open. Now that we are done with the mounting, let's learn how to use it. Now to start the camera, you'll see this on-off toggle button. All you have to do is move it towards the right. Also, don't forget to take off this lens cap, like this. So yeah, we are ready to shoot now. Now if you want to click a picture, let this toggle be in this position. But if you want to switch modes and do a video, move the toggle like this. Now it is in video mode. There are two ways how you can click a picture in this camera. Use this shutter release button to click a picture. All you have to do is press it gently and you have clicked yourself a picture. And the other way is just tap on the screen twice. Here you go. Now if you want to record a video, move this toggle. You'll see this record button over here. You have to press it gently and you'll start recording. Also mind guys, you'll see this light when it's recording. Now if you want to stop recording, again press on this button and you have stopped recording. Now to see all the footages that you have shot, just go on this button and you can see all the videos and pictures that you just took. And if you want to go back to recording again, just click here again and there you go. Now if you want to zoom on the subject, just rotate this lens like this and it will zoom out and zoom in as per you wish. Also if you want to change the modes, just rotate this and you'll get your desired mode. But if you're a beginner, I'd suggest you keep it on the auto mode. Let's turn off the camera now. So now that you're done with all the recording and shooting, let's learn how to transfer your files. So to transfer your files, there are two ways. The first way is you can download the app SnapBridge in your phone, pair it with your camera, and then download all the files you need. So to pair your camera with the SnapBridge app, you have to tap on this menu bar. Then you go to this toolbar. You'll see Connect to Smart Device. Now pairing with Bluetooth. Start pairing. Now you have to go to your phone, open the SnapBridge app. So this is going to pop up. You have to select this. Understood. It's connecting. Now that the pairing is complete, let's press open. And then you'll see download pictures. Now you can see all the videos and pictures that you just took. You can go to them and then you can download it. And the second way is take the SD card from your camera, insert it in your laptop and you can transfer all the files you want. So to do it the second way, we have to take out the SD card first. You just have to press on the SD card so that it pops out like this. Now you will see this SD card slot in your laptop. Just insert it there. This will pop up. You have to go here, go to Nikon, go to the CIM, this Nikon Z30. And you can see all the pictures and videos that you just took. So there are again two ways to charge your camera. The first way is you can either directly charge the camera using the USB-C cable that is provided with the box. So all you have to do is take the USB-C cable. You'll see this slot over here. You have to open it. Now insert the cable here and the other end to an adapter. So once you have connected it to the adapter and plugged it in, you'll see this light blinking. It means that your camera is charging. And the other way is you have to remove the battery from the camera, take the battery charger and use it for your charging. To do that, you have to open this battery slot first. You have to push this yellow thing backwards. Now you take your battery, put this battery in the battery charger and then you have to plug this in. Here also you'll see this light blinking. It means that your battery is charging. That's all about the Nikon Z30 camera. If you found this content informative, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.